the hate, coming at my neck, dripping via text, disrespect, I don't fuck with that, can't put me in check, you the ex, calling for the sex, want me cause I'm next, I'm the future, where the Percocets, I can see my ex calling, oh no, now my next calling.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my first wash and go. Since I big chopped, and as you can see my hair is dripping wet. It's freshly washed and deep conditioned. I didn't rinse out all my deep conditioner because that's going to be my leave-in. And I'm going to seal it with vitamin E oil as I go along with the process. And the star of the show today that I'm trying out is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. So it's supposed to work really well on 4C hair, but I don't know. I'm trying it out. So, and I also heard that for some reason it doesn't work too well with other products or certain ones. So that's why I'm not really using the actual leave-in. I'm just gonna seal in the moisture I already have from my deep conditioner in the water that is currently in my hair with my oil, and then use this for my wash and go. So the products I'm going to use on tools, I'm just going to have my curl maker, vitamin E oil, my tangle teaser, some hair clips, and a spray bottle to make sure my hair is wet during the whole process. And I use a t-shirt to wrap it up. My hair is already pretty much in sections, even though some of them are unraveled a little bit. Also, for my edges, I'm going to use the Blueberry Bliss Curl Pomade. This bad boy right here works really good for me and my edges. And I'm also going to diffuse my hair later on because it is like 10 o'clock at night. And I stay in North Carolina, so it's definitely not a good idea to go to bed with your hair wet. So I'm going to start off on my back sections. I'll spray it with water. I want my hair soaking wet. I'm going to seal it with some oil, like a dime size amount. Detangle the sections, even though they're already, as you can see, they're already detangled for the most part. And I'm gonna go in with the curl maker. This is before. I got 2 pumps. I don't know if you should use a lot or get it on my roots. Oh, okay. Okay. Come through, curls. I don't know if y'all can see this. I am wearing like, but you see the top. I definitely feel like it's defining my curls. Let's see the definition. So yeah, it definitely defined my curls. Definitely. So I'm gonna continue with this process and just enjoy it. This is the final results after my washing goes. The next day, it's completely dry. So, I mean, it looks okay. My hair is cute to me, like whatever, but it's a no for me. Like, this costs like $20-something, and like my roots are not defined whatsoever. So I don't know if that's my fault or the products. But I mean, I do have some definition towards the ends, but not impressed for $20. I think Eco Solid Gel will work just as good or better. So it's a no for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and a thumbs up, and stay tuned for my next few videos that's coming out. And if you have any requests, leave them down below. And until next time.